So hi everybody, this is Nadia here and I'm bringing to you the Book of Magic that Beautyo has brought out. And I wanted this book because I like the purples in it, I like the blues in it. And this is a really out there look for me. I wouldn't do this on an everyday occasion, but I wanted something that used a lot of colour for you guys to see how they blend. And there will be me applying the shadows and then I'm going to give you my thoughts. I'm also going to put in the swatches of the product. This is how it came packaged and it was £15 guys, which I think is really reasonable. With this one it's better than the Revolution ones that they do with YouTubers. I found this one to be so much better. Now don't get me wrong, this look is not the most brilliant look in the entire world, I know that, but for me it's out there and I'm not going anywhere. I wanted to use some colour and that's what I've done. I'm going to show you it now. So this is what the front cover looks like. It's not really a spooky theme, but it's supposed to be around sort of this period. My hair's going weird for October, but I wouldn't technically call this a dark grungy look. This looks so much better in real life. Now today I've used the blues. I did try the greens, don't get me wrong, I did. I tried to do a look with the greens and it just wasn't working for me. But I know I'm going to use all the basic colours, all of the purples, and if I have to put a pop of green in every now and then this palette will get used. So guys, like I said, this is for £15 and you get, so there's 20 shades in here and you get 8 shimmers in this, and which is plenty for me. I like the fact that there's more mattes than shimmers. The only thing that I will say is this colour is totally redundant. I tried it to start off with, no. Oh, piece of hair, that's annoying me. I'm going to put my glasses on and give you swatches. I prefer live swatches while I'm recording than doing them offline. Oh, hello! So the top row is Vanished, Stardust, Amulet, Ancient, and there's a pink there called Enchanted. So then we've got Manifest, Wish, Crystal, which is for realise it is like a duochrome, Sorcery and Voodoo. Then we've got Bewitched, Spell, Hex, Charmed, and Exceller. That is that one. And then the last row is Moonlight, Cursed, Jinx, Trick, and Potion. I tried to go for all the blues. As you can tell, I will draw you in and I will then go into the demo. So this is the look. So as you can see, it's so far out there, it's not even me. I like it a lot. I did find that the colours aren't brilliant to blend, and I don't know whether that's because it's only £15. A lot of them were nice. I had a bit of difficulty blending out XL, the light blue should I say, and the same with Thick. This Jinx I've got in the middle of my eye, and yeah, not my bestest work to be honest with you, but would I go out like this? Certainly not. If anything, this will be used like a wash of blue, not such a in-depth look, but I wanted to use as many colours as possible. Like it, I could recommend it to be honest with you. as long as you're willing to work with the colours you get. If you're not, it's not going to be for you. First Beautyo product. I brought off Beautyo, but this is the first eyeshadow palette. So guys, here is me applying the eyeshadow. So first of all, I'm going in with the Elixir and then Thick. So Elixir I'm going to put on first. I'm just putting it all the way through my crease. Going in with a Morphe brush and going in with that Thick. And I'm putting this in the crease as well to darken it out. So I'm going in with just a little bit and doing small circles to blend and distribute the thick blue, just to deepen this crease. Back in with the big one with no extra product and then blending them two together as seamlessly as possible. Then going in with an even smaller brush, I'm going in with Cursed, which is this darker one, and then I'm going to use Jinx. And I think I'm going to put this on the outer part of my eye to darken it off. And at the moment I'm just like stamping it on. I'm not technically blending. I just want to get it on. And the same on the opposite eye. And then just blending it. In your face, she says. Blue is in your face. Just taking another brush and just blending it. I do like the blueness of these. So it's gone a little bit patchy here, but I don't know whether that's because I've already done one and taken it off. I'm not judging this eye, I think, because this eye looks brilliant. To say it's blue, smoky. So then with the Jinx, I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that one, was you? This is quite dark and it is a little bit flaky. This is why I wanted to do it before I put makeup on. Just going to use my finger. I think it'll come off. Pale will be better. Oh yeah. It's a little bit patchy, but I think I can build it so it's not. See this like gorgeous blue. Then I think I'm going to go into one of them two colours. Put the light one on first. And I know I do looks like this all the time, but it's what I'm comfortable with. Then going back in with this blue and just the Jinx and just try and blend those nicely together. Not that two shimmers blend nicely together, but we can try. So guys, I'll be back once I put the rest of my face on and we will see. So guys, the thoughts on this palette. It's a nice palette. It does have its flaws. It's not as bad as some eyeshadows that I could name, like Revolution and YouTubers, because I generally don't like their palettes. These did blend sort of into a dream. I did go starting off with the greens first, so I have got like, I haven't got the look for the green because it just went wishy-washy. I have used more than just blue ones, and even though I've just swatched this palette, and you love just seeing it, it still don't look touched. The green ones were nice, but I'm not a green person. I think that's where I try to overdo myself. I've overdone myself today for the look, but I want to try as many eyeshadows as possible. So I've literally done pretty much all of the dark blues. And what I can honestly say is there is a couple that you do technically have the skipping on them. The shimmers are beautiful, really nice. Even this weird Jinx, it looks black, but it's like a blue, grey, silver, black. It's really nice what I've got on my eyes. Would I advise you to buy it if you're going to use it? Because I'm not going to endorse everything that I ever buy, because I don't think that's fair. If you want it, obviously buy it. But like I said, a few skipping jobs. This is a shade you don't need. This just no. Unless you're a minimalist, but then why would you want a palette so bright and so colourful? You might as well just go and get, as for instance, that's just sat there, you know, one of these elf ones. This is a really nice palette. I would honestly say to you, if you don't like bright eyeshadows, it's not one for you, which is typically me, but it's going to go in my let me try more of and see how I go with it that way. Not a bad palette. £15 could have cost a lot more. They could have put it higher. For 20 shades, it's a win for me. I do like it. If you're interested in seeing more videos on new products, anything like that, then let me know in the comments below. If you've got any recommendations of what you want me to do for you, and if it's eye looks, you just have to get what I give you. But anything else, I'm happy to do for you guys. So just let us know in the comments below. And also, if you're new to this channel, would love you to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell, and it'll let you know when I bring a new video out. I've now changed my time to 8 PM. I'm trying to stick to a schedule of Mondays and Fridays. But if there's not anything up at any point, it is because I've been ill. As in, that bed has been my life. I don't want people thinking that I put a lot of effort into this channel, but sometimes I just can't even get out of bed. I might have videos waiting, but then it's the editing part of it. I would really appreciate, you know, hitting that subscribe button would be just brilliant for me. So I will see you guys. I'm going to cut it short now, so you know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.